Hello everyone, welcome back with the exciting session because today we are going to learn about how we can edit the dual role. So without wasting time, I will share my screen again. Okay, so in this video, this is the manager of the company and he is calling somebody who is an engineer at his company, and both the characters are same playing the dual role. So we will adjust two videos accordingly. Let's see how we can do this. For this dual role, what we did, we record two separate videos with the same character in different role, and after that we run both the videos parallelly by using two tracks. When one character is playing his role, we will mute the second video where the second character will stand quiet and vice versa. So this is the base video.
अरे सुनील इधर आना.
Now this is the Sunil. While Sunil come, manager should be there in our video. So what we should do, we should put a video clip where this manager.
अरे सुनील इधर आना.
I will mute this video, and in this clip the manager is standing alone. So this clip I required. So I will copy this and I will paste this video here where Sunil is coming. The required track was selected, so I will just paste here, and you can see that this manager is looking like he is standing and Sunil coming.
अरे सुनील इधर आना.
Now you have seen that for a time being the manager was disappeared. So we have to take care about these glitches, because of you can see that both videos timelines are not at the same place. So you have to put this at the same place where the second clip was started. So in this way you can set by this. You can move forward and backward by using mouse, so you can set its starting point as in the base video. Now this manager is looks like that he is standing and the another one is coming, right? Now the first scene is completed, so I can cut this clip from here and exact at the same place. Now the manager is talking something and the Sunil is standing. So we have to remove this because we need a talking manager. So we have to search for that clip where the manager is talking about that. Yes,
पास वाले गांव में हमारी एक फैक्ट्री खुली है, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम वहां जाओ और विजिट करके आओ.
this clip is useful for me for the second scene. So I will either drag or I can copy or paste as whatever I want, right? So I will put here. Okay, so next one, Sunil will answer. So now while Sunil will answer, then the manager should stand quietly. So we will use this clip again.
हाँ सर आपने बुलाया.
So I will copy this and move the playhead here and will paste here.
कि तुम वहां जाकर विजिट करके आओ.
ठीक है, मैं वहां जाके साइट विजिट करके आ जाऊंगा.
Okay, so we can set the timings of both the clip.
लेकिन एक बात याद रखना, वहां पर बस या कोई साधन नहीं जाता है, तो तुम्हें कुछ दूरी नाव से तय करनी पड़ेगी.
So I am dragging the next clip, and next clip is continue with that. I can put here. So the next clip will be shifted while the manager is talking something.
लेकिन एक बात याद रखना,
the engineer should stand alone. So I will use this here. The engineer is standing quiet. So I will use this and I will copy this and place a playhead and I will paste this and just match the starting of both the clips. So while the manager is speaking something, the engineer should stand alone. So we have used the previous clip here.
करके आ जाऊंगा.
लेकिन एक बात याद रखना, वहां पर बस या कोई साधन नहीं जाता है, तो तुम्हें कुछ दूरी नाव से तय करनी पड़ेगी.
Now we can see that the manager is still talking and the clip ends. So what we can do, we can copy this clip, select another track for temporarily and we will paste and we will resize this clip according to our requirement so that we can fit this one here. Okay. Now in our next scene,
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं देख लूंगा.
while the Sunil is talking, we require that the manager should stand quiet. So which clip we will use when the Sunil is talking and the manager is standing. So we will use this. So we will copy this and select track and paste it. Keep in the mind guys, whatever the action we perform, either paste anything or add text or add effect will be performed at the selected track.
ठीक है, मैं देख लूंगा.
Okay.
Now the engineer is going and the manager is standing here. So in this way, this dual role editing will be over. Now keep in the mind that we have to set the background here because there is no background in this conversation. You can see that only the two characters that are playing the roles are visible. Since this is the conversation of the two employees, manager and employee, so we can set up factory background as well as office background, whatever we like. So again, we will download it from the Google and we will set the background. I have already downloaded a factory background in my previous videos, so I can use that one. So I have this image, so we can use this as well. Put this background here. The image is over here, but I want this background here as well. So what I will do, I will select that image and put the cursor here. When it look like that, click on the left button and it will extend the image. So you can extend up to the timeline where you want to put it. Now we can play from scratch.
अरे सुनील, इधर आना.
हाँ सर, आपने बुलाया.
पास वाले गांव में हमारी एक फैक्ट्री खुलने वाली है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम वहां जाकर विजिट करके आओ.
ठीक है, मैं वहां जाके साइट विजिट करके आ जाऊंगा.
लेकिन एक बात याद रखना, वहां पर बस या कोई
Sometimes it happens that while we are watching the preview, it looks like that the video is stucking, but when we export this video, it will run smoothly. Now it's time to add my intro. So when you click on this square, the playhead will go to the starting point of your video. The selected clip will be placed there. So I on this plus button and now look, this is placed at the starting point of the video.
अरे सुनील.
Okay. So guys, in this video, we learned about how we can edit for the dual role editing and how we can use the clips. The second person should be stay quietly when first person is saying something. So we said all over, but it is not the end. Still, there are so many things required for the editing. So practice for all the things, whatever we learned till now. In the next video, I will show that how we can add transition effects, stickers, audio, background music, all these in our video. So see you in the next session.